Hello students, welcome to Standard 9 Mathematics. We are in chapter number 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. In lecture 4 now, the new topic after the introduction in last lecture we have seen, the new topic is Euclid's definitions, axioms and postulates. This we will see now onwards. So before seeing this definitions, axioms and postulates, some more things are required to understand, like in the textbook only it is given, and again I will advise you to refer the textbook also only. And from that the points are taken out, and we have to note down, we have to understand it. In that, from the studies of space and solid, when we study about the space and solids, we know that a solid has shape, size, position. Like one of the example I am taking this book as solid. So it has shape, size and position, can be moved from one place to another. This solid can be moved from one place to another, and its boundaries are called surface. Its boundaries means how to understand this. Suppose this is a solid, actually it is a solid, and this boundary, these are its boundary. One of the boundary, second, third and fourth, and this is fifth, and this is sixth. So this solid has 6 boundaries. They separate one part of the space from the another and are said to have no thickness. These are the boundaries actually, and these boundaries, suppose we take together 2 solids. So what happens? The boundary of this part is a boundary of solid. This part is also a boundary of solid. These two are separating each other. So you can say that this solid is different and this solid is different. So this way the surfaces separate the 2 solids in the space. And now just only the surfaces, if you think about, this is the surface. Again, if we think of this surface only, this one part is called surface. So you will see this surface is having only length and breadth. No thickness is there. Okay, this is one of the example I am taking. So you understand that this is the solid, the whole solid, and its all boundaries are surfaces, and surface has only length and breadth. It will not have its thickness. This thickness is not considered in this surface. The thickness is considered in the whole solid. And if we think about only the surface, it will have only length and breadth. It will not have thickness. That type of point here. And the boundaries of the surface are curves or straight lines. Now this is the surface. Its boundaries are called these boundaries. This is a straight line. This is also a boundary, is a straight line. This is also a boundary, is a straight line, and this is also a boundary, straight line. This is the solid like that. So we have straight lines. Sometimes like another solid, if I take this type of bottle, if I take, its boundaries are curved boundaries. So the boundaries of surface is curved or straight lines. Now this lines ends where it ends, here and here. This boundary ends here and here. This boundary ends. This line ends here and here. So this is, these lines end in points. If we consider this line only, it ends at this point. This side at this point. This line, if we consider, this ends at this point. This point means basically what we want to understand, in the space solid has its boundaries as surfaces, and surfaces have the boundaries like lines, and lines have their boundaries or end at the points. This way basically the concept want to say, and we have to understand that way. The space is that solid have surfaces like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surfaces. Surfaces have their boundaries at lines. These lines are there, and lines end up at the points. So after understanding this solid, again we start with the solid. If this is a solid, it has length, breadth and thickness, height. So it has 3 dimensions. Solid has 3 dimensions, that is the column here made. So solid has how many dimensions? 3 dimensions, because every solid will have at least its length, breadth and height or thickness. Then if it is, its boundaries are surfaces. So surface is only this part. This part will have only this length and breadth. No thickness will be there. So length and breadth is 2 dimension it has. So surface have 2 dimensions, that way 2 here. Now the surfaces end up at the lines. So lines have only the length. You know, the lines will have only the length. It will not have breadth. It will not have thickness. So line has only one dimension, that is its length. Now where the lines end in a point at the point. So point has no dimension because we can't measure the point. In geometry we have seen that the point is actually cannot be seen. It is very small. So we can't measure it. So its dimensions are not, any dimension will not be there. So about the point of the dimension is 0 feet, right? So it is very important in 1 mark question. You can be asked is what is the dimension of solid. Any example can also be asked about it. So we have to understand that solid have 3 measures, length, breadth and height. So its dimension is 3. What is the dimension of surface? As we can understand, the surfaces are have length and breadth only. So its dimension is 2. About the line, what is the dimension? So line will have only the length, so its dimension is 1. And point has no dimension, or you can say 0 dimension.